a specialization in management of corporate internationalization. Welcome to the module Culture of Innovation and Entrepreneurship, second section. This section will cover the following topics: products, process, and business models, products development, idea generation techniques, innovation ecosystems. In a constantly changing world, market challenges and trends imply the implementation and development of innovative products or services, processes, and business models that respond to the interests of the consumers and the market. Therefore, this section develops the concepts of products and services, which refer to a tangible and intangible result from a process. And this is the sum of the physical and psychological satisfaction provided to the user. A process is a series of actions or steps for developing creative ideas to respond to the context opportunities. A business model is the plan or method used by firms to operate, which takes into account the activities that must be faced to offer their goods and services, considering some elements that are part of the value chain. A business model also tries to identify the way to manage financial resources. Techniques such as lean startup are suggested to gain value. It refers to the experimentation that helps design or create a hypothesis to get feedback, and then iteration for improvement. For example, a prototype of a product that, after possible customers' feedback, can be improved. This technique has 5 steps, as shown in Figure 1, which help generate ideas and build a prototype to be measured by customers, allowing us to obtain the right information and suggestions. Finally, it is a learning process to continuous improvement. There are different techniques for product development, which are stages that help achieve the product: idea generation focused on market interest, product design, prototype, and test. However, figure number 2 represents the guidelines provided by the Toyota Product Development System, which is concentrated on the integration of people, process, and technology. In the same way, to analyze products and process to gain competitive advantage, it is needed to mention the Industry 4.0 innovative model proposed by Frank, called 4 Smarts of the Industry 4.0, as we can see in figure number 3. Smart products and services are cyber-physical products or systems. Smart supply chain. This includes technological support for all links in the chain through communication platforms between the company and suppliers, customers, and other sections of the company, allowing the exchange of information in real time on production orders with suppliers and distributors. Smart workers refers to the technological support to the workers and operators' functions. Smart manufacturing. It is considered as one of the Industry 4.0 pillars, which apply the use of technology in the manufacturing process, focused on efficiency and competitiveness. According to the above, it is required to implement techniques for ideas generation that allow for development of capabilities and imaginative skills to achieve ideas with high level of feasibility, potentiality, and empathy, looking for innovative products or services and processes, as well as different solutions. To achieve the business ideas, there are 3 simple stages, as illustrated in figure number 4. Generation involves knowledge, experience, motivation, personal profile, and context and environment. Development is the evolution of the ideas after a process of deep analysis focused on the interested consumers, business context, technology, natural resources, human resources, financial resources, know-how, and opportunity. Evaluation helps identify the best idea according to the level of feasibility, potentiality, and empathy. As the present section pursues to identify idea-generating techniques, it should be mentioned that there are many. However, we will concentrate on brainstorming. According to Osborne, it is a technique focused on the generation of ideas as well as a problem-solving tool which in most cases is applied to improve the creativity of groups. Nevertheless, over the years has also been helpful for individual processes. A simple form to develop a brainstorming requires a preparation step before starting with ideas generation, where it is needed to define the goal of purpose, identify the actors, decide and organize the right place and context, choose a facilitator, and prepare the questions. Another step is the execution, where it is relevant to clarify the rules, procedures, and debate. Finally, evaluate and close the brainstorming session, organizing the promising ideas. Another technique used in ideas generation is called Scamper, which invites the individuals and groups to ask themselves how to develop or improve products and services, or create solutions through different lenses. According to Varela, some examples allow us to understand this technique. Substitute. Think about what element can you replace to do something different. Combine. What can you mix to make a difference? Adapt. Take something and improve it. Modify. Something to modify. Order, structure, color, or size. Put to another use. Another ways you can use something. Eliminate. How to eliminate a procedure or element. Rearrange. Change or interchange something. Finally, the concept of innovation ecosystems refers to a group of interconnected firms and other actors who are collaboratively focused on co-create value, providing innovative solutions as a result of sharing skills, capabilities, technology, and knowledge that allows us to, among other things, develop new products or services. As illustrated in figure number 7, components of ecosystems of innovation imply different types of actors, activities, and risks that must be faced by the actors to achieve the co-creation value in an innovative sense. Additionally, according to Moore, there are 4 stages in the evolution of innovation ecosystems represented in figure number 8. The first one is related to the collaborative work between the involved actors to determine the value proposition as the innovation birth. In the second stage, strategies, projects, and other elements start to be applied for expansion in the market in a cooperative way. The third stage pursues the direction and continuous improvement, considering the vision of the future and megatrends. Finally, the fourth stage is viewed as the mature phase, which means high competition of alternative ecosystems. That is why improvements and new innovative ideas are needed for the survival of the existing one.
Universidad Santo Tomás, institución vigilada por el Ministerio de Educación Nacional.